I just found 5 legit data entry jobs that are always hiring beginners to work from home. And some of these jobs are even paying upwards to $250 per day. So you're gonna wanna watch this whole entire video to learn out how to apply for these jobs, how to access it, and also I'm gonna have some really great resources for you that are gonna be free and gonna give you a level up on your competitors. So you wanna make sure you stick around for the whole video. Whether you're looking for full-time, part-time, freelance opportunities, these data entry jobs are going to be a game changer. So let's explore the top 5 companies hiring for remote data entry positions, along with what these roles entail and the hourly rates you can expect, and then also how to apply for these jobs. One of the top data entry jobs paying upwards to $18 per hour is with a company called Ajilon, a leading recruitment and staffing agency which essentially connects professionals with opportunities across industries like administration, marketing, customer service, and especially they're looking for a lot of data entry specialists. They have a data entry admin and an HRS admin. So these are on average around $18 per hour jobs. And again, if you're able to use software like Microsoft Excel, just using databases or custom applications, you can really land these jobs without needing a lot of experience. And so these are really great jobs for beginners. And so the great thing about working with Ajilon is they offer access to long-term contracts and have a lot of reputable clients, making it a great choice for professionals seeking stability. One of the biggest pharmacies in the world is actually looking for data entry specialists, and they're gonna pay you around $250 per day for this job. And the company I'm talking about is CVS. CVS is a health household name in the healthcare industry and essentially a pharmacy. So they offer a various amount of remote roles focused on processing patient and customer information. A few recent job openings include data entry specialist and data entry enrollment coordinator. The enrollment coordinator role, for example, ensures that the customer prescriptions are accurately logged into the system, and this is going to require a lot of precision and an ability to handle sensitive medical data. For this reason, CVS can pay upwards to $250 per day for this role. And a job at CVS is going to come with a lot of other perks like insurance, paid medical leave, vacation plans, and all these other great things that will also allow you to work from home, but also get the great big benefits of working at a large corporation. Another amazing data entry job that pays upwards to $18 per hour is with a company called Data Dimensions. They're based out of Wisconsin, and essentially Data Dimensions specializes in business process automation and document management. They're a great choice if you're drawn to technical workflows and structured environment. They had a few recent job openings for a data entry operator too, and in this role, you'll essentially be responsible for transforming physical documents into digital formats, ensuring accuracy and compliance with client standards. Their focus has been on innovation, and this means you're likely going to gain experience with cutting-edge tools, which could essentially boost your resume for future roles. If you want to find really great, high-paying remote jobs for data entry positions like I'm talking about today, all you have to do is go visit my free job website, globalcareer.io. All you have to do is go there, enter your email, and you'll unlock thousands of high-paying work-from-home jobs that are great for beginner, intermediate, or advanced job seekers. And guys, if you learned something new there, you're gonna love this next part. I've partnered up with Amazon's Audible to give you a free copy of my #1 best-selling book, Global Career: How to Work Anywhere and Travel Forever. Global Career has been featured in prestigious publications like Forbes, CNBC, Entrepreneur Magazine, and even Lonely Planet. And with over 500 positive reviews, this book has helped hundreds of thousands earn from anywhere. To get your free copy and start a 30-day free trial of Audible, all you have to do is visit globalcareerbook.com/audio today, or just scan the QR code on the screen here. This company is one of the longest standing staffing firms, and they're gonna pay people upwards to $20 to $25 per hour for data entry roles. The company I'm talking about is Kelly Services. They're currently looking for a data entry clerk and a data entry operator. And the responsibilities here can range from entering financial data for accounting teams to updating customer records for marketing departments. What makes Kelly Services unique is they focus on career growth, and they often provide training to help you expand your skill set. That way way you can get an entry-level job and keep moving up to higher paying roles in the future. A really great data entry job that's paying upwards to $30 per hour is with a financial service industry leader called Lincoln Financial Group. Their data entry jobs involve working with insurance policies and annuity. A few recent roles include new business case manager for their enterprise team, and essentially in this position, you'll manage the input of client data into Lincoln's system, ensuring compliance with financial regulations. And basically, Lincoln Financial Group is also going to provide you access to excellent employee benefits, making it a very attractive option for those seeking long-term career growth. Now guys, if you're wanting to apply for any of these jobs, I'm going to put together a video here at the end where you can actually figure out how to improve your chances of landing one of these jobs. But just to recap what you need to do, you need to really make sure you have the best resume possible, and you can also increase your typing speed and accuracy. Again, for data entry jobs, they want you to be able to type fast and also be extremely accurate using software like Excel and Google Sheets. There's a lot of software out there that you can use to get better at this, and there's also some really interesting ways that you can go to prove that you're good at data entry. There's a lot of software, and a lot of times these companies will have you do a test to make sure that you are able to do data entry at a fast pace and also very accurate. Again, it is a quality and quantity thing when you're applying for jobs like these, so make sure that you're doing the best case practices for each job and that you're making sure that your resume is applicant tracking system optimized for each sort of application that you're reaching out for. And again, guys, I'm gonna leave a video up here in the corner that's gonna show you everything you need to know about optimizing your resume for landing these high-paying remote work jobs. So again, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button to get alerted about new videos I'm putting out every single week. And I'll see you on the next one.